Hello everybody. I have my bloom box here for April and I decided I'd do an unboxing and show you everything that comes in it. And I've cut this open, so let's get started. Oh, by the way, the new art for the new bloom box covers, this is art designed by one of the Fun Stampers Journey artists. And we received a stamp set with all of these images on it at the leadership conference, which is really a nice idea to give that to us. I haven't used them yet, but I know I'm going to in my art journal, I think. Okay, when you open it up, the first thing you see is your instruction booklet, and it'll say the month and year, and it'll say what this one's called, which is Love Life down here. Okay, so when you open it up, these are all of the things they recommend you have in your arsenal to make the cards exactly like they did. I don't always have all of the colors, and so I use different colors that I like, or different colors that I think are really close to the colors they used. So don't hesitate to do that. Just because you don't have all of the things they say, that's not a big deal. That's not a big deal. You can still make these cards. Okay, so it looks like they're going to use some different techniques with pan pastels, colored pencils, liquid color, all of these things. So there will be a video up. Fun Stampers Journey always does a video for each bloom box. So if you look up Fun Stampers Journey April bloom box, April 2018 bloom box, you're going to see a video showing you some of these cool techniques that they've used to make these cards. Okay, card number 1, here's what it looks like. I hope you can see that. It's really pretty. It says, have a beautiful day. And then it has all the things you need. Most of these are already in there. The tools, though, you won't be in there, and and the adhesive, things like that will not be in there, and the ink colors. And then here are the instructions. They're always very clear. I love the instructions for these bloom boxes because I've never had trouble making one of them. Okay, here's card number 2. Really pretty with that vellum. Card number 3. And card number 4. Pretty. Okay, and then you receive the full-size stamp set. And not get you too much glare. Have a beautiful day, love life, just because. And these flowers are gorgeous. And then this is what they look like on the back. These are red rubber stamps, so you get a lot of detail from the deep etching. And when they want a watercolor effect, the etching is not as deep. So it's really interesting sometimes with these red rubber stamps. And they are awesome, awesome quality. Fun Stampers Journey only does these high quality red rubber stamps. All right, here's 4 envelopes for your cards. And here are the kits. And let me just open one kit up so you can kind of get an idea of how they get everything ready for you. Here's the branch you're going to need on this particular card. Here's a piece of vellum. This is probably to stamp on. Usually these little white pieces are for stamping. There's 2 of them. And then you have some sequins. Some of them are flower shaped and some of them are just sparkle. And then a few more pieces. And you'll have to, then there's the card base in there. You'll have to score or fold it in half, to make your card. It's not scored for you. Okay, there's one kit. Then here's the next one, and I could see some bling and some washi strips. All sorts of things in this one. And this one's got a colored card base, which I love doing those. And here's this one. It has some ribbon, some bling, some twine, another leafy branch cut. Cute. And then here's that purple one that was so pretty. And it's got some bling also. Some different colors. Love that. So this is everything that comes in a bloom box. Bloom boxes are $24.95 a month if you do a 6-month subscription. So it's $24.95 a month plus shipping for a 6-month subscription. If you want, say you just like this box and you just want this particular box, it's $29.95 plus shipping. So you can do it any way you want it. But I always end up loving them, and so I get them every month. And with my discount, of course, because I'm a coach, it's a really good deal. Because, these stamp sets are $18.95 a piece usually for big stamp sets like this. So I just think it's an awesome deal. And it's fun. If you don't create as often as you like, getting a box in the mail with everything all laid out for you is kind of a cool thing because it gets you creating. At least when you get this box, you're going to create something. Thanks for watching, everybody, and happy crafting.